97.7% of all employer firms, 97.7%, Mr. President, are small businesses as defined by the SBA. 64% of new private sector businesses are small businesses, and their jobs are therefore small business jobs. 49.2% of the private sector employment comes from small businesses. 42.9% of the private sector payroll, obviously, comes from small businesses. 43% of high-tech industry, that's unique, comes from small businesses. 98% of all exportation comes from small businesses, and 33% of all the value from exportation comes from small businesses. Of those small businesses, 52% are home-based. They will be denied this pass-through tax credit deduction. Franchises only make up 2%. Sole proprietors are nearly 73% of all small business employment. Corporate, the big bad boys in this equation, are only 19.5%. So this pretense that we're not going to harm small businesses by denying them tax deductions is not true. We are denying it, and we're denying it to a large segment of Oregon's economy. Another point of interest, 65% of all the new jobs created between 1993 and 2011, that's almost a 20-year period, came from small businesses as well. Since the latest recession in the 2007-2008 downturn, from then till 2009, that small period of time, only 2 and 3 years, small firms led the large firms by increasing employment by all categories from 200 persons to 499 persons. 67% of all new employment came from those small businesses. I'd like to recap. The reason this is important is Governor Brown says Oregon small businesses are the backbone of a thriving Oregon economy. Specifically, she said that at the Rural Entrepreneurship Development Initiative that was in the middle of the summer of 2016, and that is taking place all over our rural counties, including the 5 counties that are in my district. This is very important that we allow those people the discretionary revenue that they have in their hands, in their pockets, to do their shopping, to pay their bills, to pay their local taxes, to pay the school bonds that are on their tax bill. If we do not give them the discretionary income or the income so that they can deliver those to the local governments where appropriate, we will never help them save and invest tomorrow. We keep talking about investing in tomorrow by investing in our children. I say it's high time we invest in tomorrow by allowing our corporate and small business entities, the C Corps, the LLCs, to continue to conserve and save the monies they've already earned.